Hello, traders. FS here. Today is Friday, September 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the pound yen monthly, it seems like we have a nice 1 2 and a big wave 3. We are at a Fibonacci level right here, so it does seem like a good area for a pullback, but I still think we have a lot of upside potential on these yen pairs, and I'm still thinking we're going up to at least the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the bottom of what I think is a wave B to finish off this uptrend. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, we are at a fib level, so it does seem like a likely place for a possible bigger pullback. But really, I still don't even see any evidence of a bigger pullback, and this very easily could just make another small correction and just keep on trending up. So at least until I get a significant break of structure to the downside, I am for sure going to continue to look for longs on the shorter time frames. Taking it down to the daily time frame, to me this whole thing looks very overlapping, very corrective, like it is going to go up again and maybe even break out at a 78% and just keep on trending up. So we're going to have to see what turns out on the shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, it kind of looks to me like 1 2 3 of A, 1 2 3 of B, 1 2 3 of C, 1 2 3 of D, and 1 2 3 of E. We do have a little bit of a Fibonacci bounce. It's really not that convincing just because it's already going down, but it looks like the end of a possible correction, and if that's the case, it is going to keep on trending up. I am still pretty bullish on this because I really don't see any significant break of structure to the downside yet, even though on the daily time frame we are at a fib level and it does seem like a likely place for a bigger pullback. I really don't see any actual evidence that this whole thing right here is not a correction to the uptrend, so I'm definitely still primarily looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, it really doesn't look that convincing as of right now that this is the end of a wave E. It almost looks like it made 1 2 3 waves up and then impulsed down. So at this point, I really wouldn't be surprised if it did make another attempt to maybe back down to the 61.8. But I would be a little cautious trying to go short because it very easily could go down, make another higher low, and just keep on trending up, especially since this does look like a big ABCDE pattern on the higher time frames. So like I said, I am definitely still primarily looking for longs in an uptrend. If I see a higher low and an impulsive up, I will go long, or if it does decide to go down to the 61.8 and then break structure, that would also be a good long opportunity for me. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.